In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your project library in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and safely, so you can protect your work and keep your projects organized. This is an important habit for every editor, because backing up your library helps prevent data loss and gives you peace of mind if anything ever goes wrong with your system. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve guides. Let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the Project Manager page. This is the first window you'll see when the software launches. If you already have a project open, don't worry. Just look for the Home icon in the bottom right corner of the interface. It looks like a small house, and clicking it will take you back to the Project Manager. Once you're on the Project Manager screen, look to the top left corner and click the Project Libraries button. This will open the sidebar menu where all of your available project libraries are listed. Now find the active library you want to back up. In most cases, it will be called Local Database, unless you've renamed it yourself. Next, click the Details icon to the right of the library name. This icon looks like a small lowercase I inside a circle. When you click it, a menu will appear with more options for that library. From that menu, click Backup. This is the option that starts the backup process for your project library. Now you need to choose where you want to save the backup file. Select a secure location on your computer where you can easily find it later. If your C drive is running low on space, it's a good idea to choose your D drive instead. In the file browser, navigate to the location you want to use and create a new folder called Resolve Backups. Keeping all of your backups in one organized folder will make them much easier to manage in the future. After that, type a name for your backup file. A clear name is always best, so something like Resolve Backup March 2026 works really well. It helps you instantly recognize what the file is and when it was created. Once the name is entered, click Save to begin the backup. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the progress bar to complete. Depending on the size of your project library, this may take a little while. When it finishes, a pop-up window will appear confirming that the project library has been backed up successfully. Click OK to close the confirmation window, and then you'll be returned to the Project Manager. And that's it. Your DaVinci Resolve project library is now safely backed up. Backing up your library regularly is a smart workflow habit, especially if you're working on client projects, long edits, or anything important that you cannot afford to lose. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you hours or even days of recovery work later. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.